Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts obsession, I will not stop.
Exciting times ahead for Zontes in the UK. I am pleased to announce that the Zontes 703F is due to arrive in the UK at the end of March to beginning of April 2025, distributed in the UK by Clements Moto. With an initial launch price of £6,999 plus on the road charges, those wanting to spec their bike with additional accessory crash bars, 3-piece aluminium luggage, auxiliary lights, and more, can do so as an additional £999 bundle, with the sub £7,000 base price, undercutting even the cheapest of offerings from the well-established competition. So I cannot wait to take a test ride, can you? So to whet your appetite, here are some features. The 699 cubic centimeters, 3-cylinder, water-cooled engine with a 13.0 to 1 compression ratio and a 1.2 bore-to-stroke ratio delivers exhilarating performance and a thrilling exhaust note. The 120 degrees crankshaft design with counterbalancers ensures smooth power delivery and minimal vibrations. The 703F is purpose-built for off-road adventures, ready to satisfy your adventurous spirit. The lightweight yet strong aluminum alloy twin spar frame features an integrated main and subframe construction. The main frame weighs 11 kilograms. The subframe 3.8 kilograms. The lightweight, high-strength aluminum alloy swing arm is produced using a high-vacuum die-cast process. The forged aluminum multi-link rear suspension system effectively absorbs shocks and vibrations, providing a more comfortable ride. The fully adjustable Marzocchi front and rear shocks allow riders to fine-tune their suspension settings with adjustable preload, rebound damping, and compression damping. The front and rear spoked wheels feature vacuum-laced steel spokes and spun aluminum rims. The side pull spoke pattern reduces weight while maintaining strength and impact resistance. Michelin high-performance tires designed specifically for adventure. The large 22L fuel tank is constructed from high-quality Japanese zinc-nickel plated steel. All in all, a truly amazing bike.